CenSo Hardware Company, Limited, founded in 2009. We are specialized in the production and development of stainless steel slide rail, heavy-duty drawer slide and furniture drawer slides, as well as high-quality hinges. We are the top 3 manufacturer and brand of slide rail and hinges in China. With over a decade of expertise, CenSo is committed to providing premium sliding solutions to customers across the globe. Based in Guangdong, China, our factory spans over 12,000 square meters, housing more than 130 advanced production machines and boasting a daily output of over 40,000 pairs of slides. Our product include heavy-duty drawer slides with up to 500 pounds capacity. Furniture slide rail with different size and material. 304 stainless steel slides for commercial kitchen cabinet. Toolbox slide rails to improve stability and durability. Server slide rails for seamless data center operations. Solar panel equipment provides customized services. CenSo drive innovation and grow your business through our custom slide rail solutions.